Hello, good evening, guys. I want to come back and show you the install of my Bobbi Boss Boho crochet braids. I just wanted to show you the braid pattern that I did. I kind of looped them together in the back, so there's more in the top part of my head, and I made them a little bit bigger in the back. So I just want to show you the braid pattern. And then I tucked this under here and looped it through the back. So, and the hair that I'm going to be using today is right here. It's Bobbi Boss Passion Twist Style Boho. This is one pack. I purchased 2 packs, and the color is T4 27613. So, you get quite a bit. It says 30 strands with those. And here's the back. And yeah, we'll see how this turns out. I'm so excited. Hey guys, I was coming to you real quick to review this crochet here about Bobbi Boss. I did like probably about 12 crochets and connected them in the back. And I added 613 here, excuse me, for a highlight. And here's the stock card. Boho Style. Passion Twist 18 inches. And that's the color at the bottom. So far, so good. I had them in for about a week.